Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website montanawestgirl.com. I'm on a homepage and I really love that you're showing your products in the sliding image so people know right away what you're offering. You have a tagline telling right away that you're selling purses, what kind of purses, what kind of collections. And obviously there is a shop now button linking to the relevant collections, which is excellent. Okay, 3% discount worldwide. I would be a little bit more generous with a discount. Normally, anything below 10% is nothing that gets customers excited about. So think about maybe offering at least 15% so people can act upon that. This area could be much better used to improve your conversion rate. You could show your mm, we could show you could show your featured products here or featured collections here instead, those logos, because although they are important, they take too much space. They can be just little icons at the bottom of the page, instead of taking this valuable property, this valuable estate on the home page, which is just a waste of space. So remember to optimize each element so it improves your conversion rate. This is good, but however, as you can see, this text is difficult to see. So it would be much better so if it was displayed in the middle of the image. However, it's part of your branding, so this is good. But remember to optimize each element so it works for you, so it works for your conversion, so it improves sales. So it should have a stronger tagline in the middle and obviously linked to the relevant collections like belts or something like that. Featured products look really good, so that should be at the top. Also, featured products, you can optimize the title to be more SEO friendly, more specific. You can tell, such as cowboy style purses or something like that. Also, you have all items on sale. So remember, only have a small portion of items at sale at a time. Otherwise, people will lose the whole appeal of the discount, the whole appeal of the deal. So people won't perceive it as genuine. So remember to have only small portion of discounts at a time, at a limited time. So people know that discounts are genuine, and next time they return to your website and they see that their favorite bag is on sale, they will buy it right away because they know it's a limited time discount. Also consider displaying either 6 or 9 instead of, I don't know how many, 10, because there's like a wide space here, so it's not necessary. It just gives away from the professional look. So it should be really ending on 3 or 6 or 9 items here. However, the product titles are very SEO friendly, very specific, so that's perfect. Okay, the footer navigation is great. Because of your branding, I wouldn't really go for pink. You would go for this kind of, I don't know, golden, maybe details, brown and gold, black and gold, something like that. Because pink, that doesn't really go with, I assume, with your target audience. So think about maybe, optimizing each of the element on a website to build really your brand in this kind of cowgirl, West girl branding. But you've got footer navigation, so this is excellent. And you've got social media links, which is great as well. You open the social media links in new tab, so that's excellent. As you are not posting on Instagram, consider removing this from your website. Otherwise, it can give an impression that maybe your business is no longer running, it's no longer maintained. So it can definitely affect sales, because if people see you're not posting, it means maybe you're no longer maintaining this business. So they will hesitate ordering from you because they don't know if they will actually get the item. So if you're not posting regularly, well, consider first of all, if you want to leave the Instagram link, consider posting regularly, at least 2 or 3 times per week. If you can spare more time, definitely post daily. However, if you're not maintaining this particular social media site, remove it from the website because it can definitely affect sales. The collection page looks great. I'm not sure how these flip-flops match the whole West girl, but okay, I'm not judging. I'm not judging the style. Okay, I'm not here to judge the style. However, I understand that you're targeting West girl, cowgirl, this kind of Native American style. And so think about matching all of the items, have build the collection that really build the item, because really build the style, because otherwise you lose the authenticity, you lose the trust. If people see, they think, oh, this is a great store for buying my cowgirl attire, because they know what they're talking about, and then they see this kind of out describe it as, Indian, Asian, very, very decorative, which that doesn't really go with all the West girl, cowgirl, Native American. I could be wrong. Obviously, I don't live in the US. However, that's my impression. So make sure to really think about that. That's what your customers want. If they want it, perfectly fine. But make sure to build this kind of one style of items to really build your knowledge, build your authority, and build the trust as well. The product page looks great, so you've got add to cart above default. I would make this color of the button pop a little bit more, because it feels like a little bit lost on a page. So maybe golden, orange, brown, red can really bring this button to their attention. So it improves the conversion rate. However, the product descriptions are unique, very user friendly, and related products are here as well, which is perfect. I would work on the URLs. As you can see, the URLs are too long. It will be difficult for you to rank in Google with such a long URL, so make sure they are shorter, much more Google friendly, and much more specific. It means that they contain your target keywords, but they don't overwhelm Google with too much information. About Us page looks great. It feels a little bit corporate, feels like you're talking about, your policies, your store policies. Make sure to talk about the team behind the brand. People who read the About Us page want to see the real people behind the brand. They want to see the picture of the team. They want to see who is there to pick up the merchandise, what kind of experience they've got in the niche, what inspired you to start this business. So make sure to use this space to really build rapport, build the trust with your visitors. Shipping page is great. However, I would add more details here, specify whether you ship worldwide or whether it's only within the USA, and also obviously specify how much is the delivery, whether you charge for the delivery. If you don't specify that the shipping is free, so it's clear to see right away. If not, make sure to specify how much is the delivery, and have a table, rate of table at the top, so people know right away how much they're expected to pay. That will further improve your conversion rate. Also have professional email address. It is much better for building branding, for building this professional image with email address that matches your domain, instead of using free Gmail account. Your SEO score is 56 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The meta titles within the character limit, and you've got discount code here as well, which is really smart to include the discount code here. The description contains only keywords. Remember, it can be read as a black hat SEO these days. So remember, don't stuff keywords in the meta description. Make sure to optimize it. Tell a little bit more about your business. Have a call to action at the end, and don't go over 165 character limit. You seem to have too many external links, which can definitely affect your organic ranking domain authority. So think about having a healthy inbound and outbound links ratio. Otherwise, you will be considered as website. I know it's not true, but by Google, it can be considered as website, like a link farm. So remember, don't go over the limit, so it should be at least 50% internal links, 50% external links. You seem to have more than that, so remember to keep that ratio as well. Consider adding more content, more written content, blog posts. Regular blogging is great for that. To have a lot of written content on a website is great for SEO, great for adding fresh content. And also remember to optimize all images with SEO-friendly alt tags. As I mentioned, the URLs are not SEO friendly, but I've already described how to optimize them better. And you haven't got schema.org structured data, so those kind of rich snippets on the website. So remember to add them as well. The website loads very fast, which is excellent. If you like this audit, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The details are in the email. And remember to book your free chat with our Shopify experts to go through all of the elements mentioned in the critique, learn how to fix them, learn how to drive more free traffic to your website, and convert visitors into paying customers. So don't miss this opportunity. It's 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert. Book it now. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Chat with you soon. Bye-bye.